choose a time first which you want to create a Photoshop file or a JPEG still image. So this composition has 3 layers, as you can see here. Okay, so let's create a composition, save frame as, let's create a Photoshop file. Photoshop layers, put it on desktop and name it whatever you want. Let's say 33, save, and go to the desktop, and here it appears. Open it, and you can see the file with all the layers on. Okay, so let's go back to After Effects and create a still image. Go to composition, save frame as, and put this time file. Okay, in the module output, go to format, put it JPEG sequence. Okay, and the location, put it on desktop and name it 66. For example, save and click render. Okay, go back to desktop, and here it appears. Open it, and this is the still image in that specific time.